how to turn on and off autoplay audio on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable autoplay audio in the REDnote app. It's super simple, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on Settings. Now in the Settings menu, select General Settings. And from here, look for the option labeled Autoplay Audio on Note. And here you can easily toggle it on or off depending on your preferences. And just like that, you can manage your autoplay audio settings in just few quick steps. And that's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.